elephants have teeth?
That's a silly question to ask.
Not really. The tuskers, another name for elephants, do look like as if they do not have teeth apart from their tusks. But all elephants have 6 sets of teeth throughout their lifetime.
Can a tusker have a 7th set as well?
Rarely does a tusker have a 7th set. And when an elephant begins losing teeth, it's a sign of aging and a main cause of death among mature elephants.
I didn't know that.